I'm moving fast and I don't like it, so I need to take back my whole entire powers back real quick and get it done. I feel like my boob about to pop out. It might pop out, pop out. Pop out, pop out. You should see if I'm in the camera now. That was enough?
That was I'm allergic to grass and I ain't
Oh, grass. Yeah, that's smart of you because that would be dumb if you did that. Like big time. Let me see. Over here finding this grass to see what I like and what I don't like. Yeah.
So you gotta like the first.
Yeah.
Even though you had to be a type of grass.
Yeah, that I like.
You know.
You know? Like, it just looked so fluffy and green and pretty. It just looked really, really nice. And I like that look. So, yeah. Whew. I do.
And I can say, hey, keep it with me more and more these days. Oh, baby, and I never thought I'd end the way. But then I dreamed you through him. I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm down to do a little thing. I'm down to do a little thing. I got your hammer.
I want to know, is it seeing me or is it? It probably was, but we gonna know for sure right now. For sure. All right, so the next one will be. Oh, this shit ain't no joke. It's just 30 pounds. This is what I didn't want to do. That's what I do at home, them kettlebell swings, but this is real.